Right now, we do have a SMT at all times with ES, as ES is now traded above all-time highs and NQ has not. But I still am overall bullish on the market because we have we're trading off this weekly fair value gap right here, where we're continuing higher off of, as well as the overall order flow is bullish. I still think Nasdaq will end up reaching for all-time highs, maybe later this month. But we'll have to see how we trade these highs here. So coming into this week, I'm overall bullish. We have no PD arrays, no fair value gaps left really from the last week. Left behind right here. We're trading above this 4 hour right now. So I'm thinking this could support price higher to these highs right here. So I want to see some sort of like early on in the week we trade these highs. Then maybe we put in the low week off of this high, where we continue higher off of to this high, which is my weekly draw, but is 2,000 ticks away, and we do not have much news this week. As bro, looking at the economic calendar, we have a bank holiday on Monday, no news Tuesday, Wednesday, unemployment claims Thursday, and then no news on Friday. So we have very light news this week, and we have no trading day on Monday because it's a bank holiday. So what we could see is a early week accumulation, take this high, and then continue higher. Usually holidays is open. Usually holidays it's open till 12, right? Yeah, sometimes they have an early close at 12. I'm not sure about tomorrow, but I just want to trade tomorrow in general. There's gonna be no volume. So overall, still bullish on the week. As a monthly open, we had our low, and now we're seeking our high. So we can. I'm expecting us to continue higher to these highs here. There's really not much left on this side of price action besides these daily highs right here, which I'm looking at this week. But that's really it. This week, I'm not expecting much. You think Monday might just continue this range? Yeah, there's going to be no volume on Monday. It's Columbus Day, bro. It's a bank holiday. You should never be trading on a bank holiday. Those are the 1 days you would 100% need to take off for bank holidays. We are continuing higher off this imbalance, so this is a lower time frame market. This is a market maker buy model right here. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish until we reach this high to where we can see a retracement, but then a retracement for higher. Is what I'm looking at. I think we may hold that SMT. The thing is, we've been holding this SMT with all-time highs. We've had it since we've had it this whole way up. And when ES is at all-time highs, I know ICT said something where it's like when you're at all-time highs, you should only be looking for buys or longs above all-time highs. Looking at this, we traded all-time highs. We retraced lower off of it for a continuation higher. So this is only looking bullish to me. Really only looking for longs here. Highs are trying automatically straight. When you do it, you hold shift. So it's going to be like this. So if I don't hold shift, it's like this. But then you hold shift and it goes straight. Yeah, when you're above all-time highs, you should be looking for longs. When you're above all-time highs. I'm not really looking at anything on Monday because it's going to be a range day. It's Columbus Day, so I'm not expecting much. I just want to see Monday accumulate. Monday accumulate or Monday run these highs. Monday run these highs or accumulates. That'll be fire. How was your trading last week? Win loss. To be honest, I don't know. I just know I won more than I lost last week. I ended last week like 4K in profit on my account. So I will not be trading tomorrow, but I will be in a call. I'm making a Kahoot right now. If you guys want to join and play a trading Kahoot, because I want to do something tomorrow morning, but I'm not going to be trading though. We will not be on the charts. We'll just be fucking around in a Kahoot. What time? Probably 9:30. Probably market open. Bro's really, yeah, bro. Like, I'm making it right now, bro. I'm not trying to leak it, but I'm making a Kahoot right now. Yeah, I'm still overall bullish. Still overall bullish. Until these highs. Once we see this high get around, I think we could see a retracement for higher. Still overall bullish on this market. The monthly open is also telling me bullish. I love you too, Henry. Really not much going on. Last week we traded higher, but didn't really leave that many imbalances. Or we left these, but this got traded as a breakaway. This one was traded as a breakaway, expanding off this one, and then we traded back into this one where we're trading higher. So I'm expecting this high to get run relatively soon, where we can see retracement, maybe sweep out Monday's low and then higher. We'll have to see. I'm not trading Monday though, so Monday will help frame Tuesday's trade. Winner of Kahoot gets a facial. All right. Tomorrow is Columbus Day. I didn't even know that was a day until I saw the bank holiday. I'm like, what's going on tomorrow? And it was Columbus Day. What's Kahoot? It's kind of like it's like a platform where you can like host like friendly quizzes and shit. Yeah, it's gonna be a half day window volume. I guess it's tomorrow half day. Won't even be on the charts, so we'll just be playing Kahoot and shit. You guys got any questions? Are we playing Kahoot? Not right now. We will tomorrow morning though. I'm making it. I just started making it. Yeah, but that's overall the weekly outlook. I want to see some sort of open low high close this week. We could see a early range accumulation, like early week accumulation. Because looking at the economic calendar, we have literally nothing going on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we can anticipate range and maybe trade lower and then higher. Or we could see something like range, Monday takes this high, then we come back lower, take on Monday low, and then continue higher. All depends what happens. Yeah, this breakaway, this right here could be a draw. The only thing is, I don't think we're going to have enough volume this week to trade this low and then continue higher. So off this, once we sweep this high, I'll be looking for shorts just for retracements, probably down to previous day low. And if we do actually end up being bearish this week down to this breakaway, I probably wouldn't expect a huge expansion higher off of that. Looking at the calendar, there's really nothing to drive price to move that much this week. Hunter, how long have you been trading? Like 2.5 years, 2 years. Like I started trading March 2022. I have like a journal where day one trade. I put like it was like March 26, 2022. That was like a week into trading, but I was like, what's your GPA? I don't know, like 2.7, 2.6, and then I have 2 Fs right now. No, that's my high school GPA was like a 4.0, but that's my college GPA. I don't really do my homework. or go to the exams. I missed 2 exams because I was sick. You gonna drop out? I don't know. I don't know yet. If I fail this semester, probably, because then I'll lose my scholarship. Because right now it's free for me, but if I fail this semester, then I might think about dropping out, because then I'll lose my scholarship and then I'll have to pay to go to college. What do you mean, bro? What? How did you navigate Friday? How did you navigate Friday? Because we didn't really interact. Okay, so Friday. Let me see Friday's action. Kind of forgot what we did Friday. I know we took longs on Friday. That I do remember. Let me just chart it out like I'm trading it. So I know y'all would be anticipating a. Okay, so this is Friday's action, right? This here was mid at open. Alright, I know exactly what I was looking for on Friday. So, sorry, this is the London low. So on Friday, you could anticipate price to close back within the range. So I was more neutral on Friday, because I remember we had SMT with the Asian high with the data high on Friday. So we had SMT here, and we were trading lower. So I was anticipating either TGIF or this high, but the thing is we didn't meet our weekly drawn liquidity yet. So I still could have seen bullish action. So I was more 50-50. I had a higher draw, but price action was showing me lower prices. So I was neutral. If you're in the call, you would remember what I was saying. But I was bearish until the London low, because I wanted to see price sweep out the London low. Then I would have put an SMT in with the London low. We didn't quite get that sweep of London low where we expanded higher, so I missed this long. But then price formed this 5-minute right here. Right, when you see this long position, I'm looking at buys now. I'm looking at buys now. And we formed this 5-minute imbalance in discount of the range. So that's where I went long off a 1-minute inversion, traded back into that 5 minutes. So I went long right in this, when we inversed that, traded back into that 5 minute. I went long right here. Stop loss was right here. And my target was just the high from earlier for like 287 ticks. We got stopped at a break even right here. Right. So I got stopped at a break even after being up like 200 something ticks. And then we inversed. So we also inversed this 1 minute right here, as well as this inversions. So when price stopped at break even, traded back into this inversion right here, and then we traded higher once more off of that, inversing this 1 minute. I went long again. This time right here when price traded back into this inversion, like right here, stop loss was here, and I just targeted this high because it was like Friday lunch. Yeah, it was like 11:30 p.m. and I didn't want to I didn't want to hold the trade up to here or any longer. And I didn't want to try to catch a bigger trade on a Friday with no news, or a Friday with the end of the week lunch. So took a mini scalp for like 150 ticks. Are you using standard deviation here? I'll probably will use standard deviation for this week. No, we didn't even sweep out previous day low. We just bought up from like this order block from London low. We put in an SMT with the London low. Sorry, order block from previous day low. We put an SMT in with the London low, but we didn't put an SMT in with previous day low. Sorry, this was freaking previous day low. What am I'm tripping out. This was previous day low, and this right here was like the London low. put in an S&T with the London low, not with previous day low. That's how I frame my longs off that. Ideally, I would want to see previous day low get swept out. Stephen College, yeah, Steven's in college too. It's not a fresh cut. Bro, my sister cut my hair. She's never cut hair before. I just let her cut it because why not? I don't really care. I don't really give a shit. If she fucked me up, I would have just buzzed it off. But what told you? Cause I still had a higher draw, and once I saw us trade off this SMT and trade extend higher, so also ES was way above all time highs at this point too. So for where was this? It was right here. Where this was Friday, right? We traded way above all time highs with this move up. Once I saw that, I wasn't really looking for sells because we should have sold off. If I was looking for sells, we should have sold off earlier. So I wanted to kind of take a buy model higher to these highs up here. Hunter, how'd you get a scholarship? Well, in Florida, they have a thing where it's like if you have like a 1370 SAT and like a 3.5 GPA, you get free college. So everything's free. So I got that, and then I also got like another scholarship where they gave me like 20K to go to school. So I got $20,000 on top of free school, just deposited in my bank. But I had like a 1470 SAT. Um, that's really all I'm seeing for next week. Not expecting huge action. I'm probably going to target like 200, 300 ticks a trade. I'm not going to try to catch 600, 700 tick trades. We're not going to see that type of movement in one day next week. Highly doubt it besides Thursday. Thursday's the only day I'm looking at where we can have a huge range. And